So there is a big sale happening now on Laertes that give you a lot of environment art packages for just very little. And I took a look at the bundle, and it's really nice, to be honest. Like, you have things like Cyberpunk, you have like these really nice environments, you have things like the capital, you have things like New York City. That one is very well made, to be honest. And I can see that there is a lot of quality there, just because I'm a 3D environment artist myself. You can detect whether or not these are AAA or not. So these are actually very nice. You have a bunch of different topics, like you have like New York City, you have Maya ruins, you have like a lot of stuff, to be honest. And it also comes with sound effects. It comes with tools. The art tools, I check them out. They are really nice. They seem to improve a lot your workflow when you're doing these kind of levels. And overall, this package is just really nice. Like, you can get assets individually, you can get sound effects. And the thing is, I remember when I just started out, I will just work on an environment. At that time, we didn't have like Unreal Marketplace or things like that. And I will just work on something for like 3 months. And after 3 months, I will see myself like, okay, let's take a look at how's the game going. And so there's just no game. Like, I just finished a building. That's that, because they really take time. They really take time. Now, that was a big learning experience, but I wouldn't do that now. If I start creating my own projects, I will just right away just grab some assets and create something. Like create something. And this pack, probably you're gonna buy once in your life, and you're not gonna need to update anymore. You're just gonna using a lot of assets. Even if there is a environment that you're not really wanna use, like, still comes with a lot of them that you can, and just one of them will give you just insane value. So I put a link in the description where you can just get it, and make sure to check it out, and see ya.